Right, my people, now welcome back onto this channel. Well, no be small something still on the matter, my people. Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly waiting it be, exactly waiting the people. Then they talk about yeah. So right now, as it be, everybody high, don't sharpen, everybody high, don't clear. Yes. This Fulani people, their security, it don't expose finally don expose. And then as e be so, all Nigerians as dem dey so, dem say dem different from Nigerians. I know say some people go dey hear say Nigerians and Nigerians. All those Nigerians na dem be the people wey be say dem come from Niger Niger Republic, and then Nigerians na im be the Nigerians wey we be now. E get something wey be say e dey happen, wey dey go on. Everybody don talk this thing before now, but many people no understand. This Fulani people wey you dey see, they don clear us, we don hear am as dem be so. They are from Niger Republic, they are Nigerians. All these people, sake of say wetin dey happen for their country, e no favour them, na im make them come dey try to come to Nigeria. Now all these people, if una remember that year wey be say the Fulani people wey be say dem go wear earring, wey dem go dey waka up and down, their women mostly that year, about 20 25 years ago. I don't know, some people will be say they don't born before that time, maybe 40 80 years, 40 years 50 years ago. Una go know when these people enter our country Nigeria, wey be say dem go dey beg for they go dey beg for water, they go dey beg for food. To that time, those people, then the yellow, then the fair, you know that now them be the Fulani wey we dey talk about. How they take enter into our country now, based on say they open the border down for anybody to go in and they come out. Not be now we be say they can't dey try to dey lock the border. This set of people now, them be the people we be say they come this country, we be say them themselves, they know say nothing for them. These people that time now go know them, we be say they go carry some kind dirty things, go dey waka something wey be say you no go imagine. They go wear big earring. Now them be that we be say they go dey beg, they talk anyhow. If you remember the way these people to enter this country, you go dey even dey pity them. Maybe say some people go dey dash them small money, some go even dash them like maybe garri, sugar and the rest of them. But now these same people, now they can't come inside our country, can't they look say it be like say these people they don't lose guard, make we take over their country. Now waiting be the issue now be this: how these people take enter our country now, can they claim say now then get all the land, say their father don't tell them say now then get it, they say Nigeria. Well, that one not even can be the issue. The major problem now be say they no even want to stay for north, wey be say then they close to, they can't they extend their tentacles, so say they need to enter Yoruba land. And now instead they make our Yoruba people, make them wake up, say no way to this Fulani people. They can't still be the people. That is why this our Yoruba people most times like this, if I just say remember their character, in fact I go say they need it today, we need it to talk to them anyhow, if you remember their character. Because these people, they know say these Fulani people, they know they part of this country at all. But some of them, because of say they don't get small money, or because of wickedness, I don't know, they could see come carry their money, go marry them, come Yoruba land. All of them know the number of monarchy wey be say they don't marry this Fulani people come Yoruba land. And then they no go tell us say they no know waiting the problem go cause later. Why you go marry Fulani woman come Yoruba land, after that Fulani woman don't born, don't do everything, the pikin, the children, they will come grow. After they grow, they will come say them get one cousin for Niger. That is why you go see all these Fulani people will say that they come, all of them, they will say they get people for Niger, they still get people for Nigeria. Now so they start. if that one come born, e come see him cousin dey Niger Republic. Before you know wetin, himself go come invite him cousin come Nigeria. As dem come Nigeria, the next thing dem go come dey tell you say na their father na him be Nigeria, so say na dem get Yoruba land. Before you know wetin, dem don take over the land. Na him be the problem wey be say we dey face now. The earlier the better, wey be say our elders dem go realize say these people dem be strangers. The better for everybody to dey stay safe. Now see wetin dem dey talk, say all the governors, you can imagine, all the governors of Yoruba state say dem be caretaker. This Fulani people dey talk am, say dem be caretaker. Say as a Yoruba land be, say their forefather don tell them say na dem get Yoruba land. So all those governors wey dey there say make dem just dey do, say na just for the main time. My brother, my sister, you don hear am. No be small something, no. Everybody dey come outside now say abeg you, say we need to do strong protesting. Wey be say dem must carry Chief Sunday Igboho back come Nigeria. Because all these Fulani people, dem believe say if Chief Sunday Igboho no dey, dem fit do and undo. That is why I no know wetin make the president say okay, make Chief Sunday Igboho go back to where he for dey come. Chief Sunday Igboho wey we know no be troublemaker. He no cause trouble in the fight for him people, and while in the fight for him people, he no carry ibon, he no carry ada, he no carry oko, he no carry anything, but peacefully. In fact, the rally na peaceful rally. Now wetin come make the government say make Chief Sunday Igboho comot for the country. After Chief Sunday Igboho come for him mama burial, they say make Chief Sunday Igboho go back to where he for dey come. And now all the Yoruba people now don't wake up, say like this, so we need to gather ourselves together. This thing must not continue. Now Chief Sunday Igboho no dey Nigeria, see as they buy all Yoruba people. They want tell us to say strong men no dey Yoruba land. We be say they suppose come out to say no, enough is enough. But all these people wey call themselves strong men, we be say they get a position for Yoruba land, none of them wey we dey see, none of them go come outside. But when he reach, he say they wan talk about restructuring. You go see all of them come outside. They talk say na restructuring na they want, of which we don't know the secret of this restructuring. We then they talk about everything now for their own pocket. Now wetin go favor them, na him most of them then they fight for. Because we know say all these ones wey then they talk say restructuring, how long una want to ask for restructuring? The same restructuring wey be say una don dey ask for many years ago till now, e dey get worse by the day. And the worst scenario na im be say all these people wey you dey see, wey dem call themselves the Afenifere, at the end of it all dem go say dem be Afenifere for Yoruba land. But when they kpai Yoruba people for all the villages, none of them go talk anything about am. This one wey happen for Maya village, so they be say dem kpai many people, even Alaboyun dem kpai am. My brother, my sister, what is going on now? All the Fulani people, as dem dey so, all of us know say they no belong to this country. But now then they claim say their forefathers don't tell them say na them get Yoruba land. That is why they see say they no one come out for our forest. And they make it come ask me another thing, we be say they come they surprise me, be say our own security personnel, we be say the government no gree give for sophisticated weapons, but their own Fulani people wey dey inside bush, they chop grass, they drink dirty water, they sleep inside mosquito. All those people then get a sophisticated weapon. Now ask me who be that person where they supply them. Most of our monarchs made them ask themselves, say who they give them all those things, because all these people they don't know anything about life. But as soon as they don't carry them enter Nigeria, you get some people will go train them on how to use this machine. No be small money, then they sell them. But now our Yoruba monarchs, our leaders, nobody they think say wait to how come these people they get all these things? Who they supply them now for what? So that waiting go happen. nobody dey talk anything. Yet dem dey kpai Yoruba people every now and then. All the monarchs they go keep quiet. So they even kpai, dem dey kpai Yoruba monarchs, they no talk anything. My brother, my sister, shey na like this we go dey? Shey na like this we go dey? Many people don talk am say like this oh, Chief Sunday Igboho na him be the only hero wey be say we know. Na him be the only person wey be say we know make everybody make dem support Chief Sunday Igboho, because as e be so, if care is not taken, many things go wrong for Yoruba land. Most of all those obas wey be say dem no dey think am now, dem believe say na so the whole thing go just be, wey be say dem go dey chop money, but dem don forget say dem get children wey be say dey come up. Yes, we even forget about generation to come, their own children now in the next 20 years. Only God know wetin go happen for this Nigeria wey we dey, because now a Yoruba man wey dey there as a president, highest after 8 years he go comot there. Wetin go come be the fate of the people? Na him make us dey say like this, so everybody we need to wake up. Let us do the needful, let us do the right thing. Yes, so somebody don talk plenty things unto this one. The person don talk and say like this so Nigerians must wake up on their part. Even if you dey there, you dey talk say na one Nigeria you want. Do you know the plan of these people? Shey you know the plan of these people towards everybody? You think say they like you as one Nigeria? That's exactly wetin we dey talk about. Now they talk say they wan make the country Muslim country throughout. Okay, fine. Now these same people wey be say they wan make a Muslim country throughout, they see they talk say the Muslim for southwest, those ones they no be original Muslim. You don't know, abi? You never remember, you never think am well. Say they no be original Muslim, meaning then go deal with them. I no go talk am the way e suppose be, but you suppose know wetin these people they mean by that. Now everybody need to wake up. No go believe say the person wey dey there now na a Yoruba man. At the end of it all, he go collect, he go make Nigeria better for us. My brother, my sister, many things dey happen wey be say many people they no know wetin dey sup. Baba God, na your hand with there. Well, my people, na so it can be unto this one. And then as e dey hot, no let am cool. If this one na your first time wey be say you dey join us for this channel, abeg make you try, make you subscribe, make you give us thumbs up, make you dey like, make it for go viral as e dey hot. My brother, my sister, na so it can be unto this. Until I come on our way next time, my people, I say on a bye for now.